Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Kumari. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I have completed B.C.A from Mishra College of Business Management, Muzaffarpur, Bihar in 2023. After completed my B.C.A, then I want join in technical field. Then my friend suggest about Evision Technoserve. Then I was join Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined online full-day internship under guidance of IT manager and administrator. There is a module which have been covered during my internship is basic networking, virtualization, window administrator, CCNA, network security, Windows server and cyber security. After that, I am selected in Javi Systems India Pvt Ltd with the package of 2.6 LPA. I would like to thank the Evision team, especially the trainer Apurvo sir and Prasanjit sir, and my recruiter Sania ma'am and HR Priya ma'am, and other faculty like Amit sir, Ganesh sir and Sati ma'am to guide and cooperate me. That's all my whole journey in Evision. That's all. Thank you.